Good morning, students. I am Patti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. I am taking SS subject. Now, today I am given the lecture of 7th standard, lesson number 2, Motion of the Earth. Motion of the Earth. This lesson based onto the geography. Okay. What the means of the motion? Motion means a revolution and rotation. What the earth's rotation and revolution we have to explain in this lesson today. The first, there are two motions of the earth. First is rotation and moving on its axis, and second is revolution around the sun. First of rotation. What the means of the rotation, beta? They have to अराउंड ऑन देयर एक्सिस, यानी एक चीज अपनी ही प्लेस पे गोल गोल घूम रही है, दैट इज अ रोटेशन. अपनी प्लेस पे दे हैव टू बी अराउंड, दैट इज अ रोटेशन. एंड रिवॉल्यूशन मीन्स ही इज अ रोटेड ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड ही वॉज रिवॉल्यूड अराउंड ऑल्सो सन, दैट इज अ रिवॉल्यूशन. ओके, you are no, if you are going into the fair, you are sitting in rotation. Here I will given that picture, this picture, it's a merry-go-round. Okay, there's a dancing fair, dancing car or whatever they are asking in the fair. ये बेटा अपनी प्लेस पे भी गोल घूमता है और अराउंड भी होता है. ये रोटेशन and revolution both are same of the moon, same of the earth. Look here, that is a sun, this is a sun. Okay, and around have a oval type of lines are there. Okay, and that is a earth. The earth is going on their place also and it was around of that place also. That means rotation and revolution. मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ, रोटेशन, मूविंग ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, यानी अपनी ही प्लेस पे गोल गोल घूमना, दैट इज कॉल्ड डे एंड नाइट. दैट मेक अ डे एंड नाइट. रोटेशन मेक डे एंड नाइट. एंड रिवॉल्यूशन मीन्स इट्स अराउंड ऑन टू द सन, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन चेंजिंग द सीजन. रोटेशन, that means in the 24 hours it was completed one round. Day and night happen, rotation. And revolution are completed 365 days, 1/4. In the whole year 365, 1/4. It's a revolute around the sun, that is called revolution. Same type of the fairy. Okay. First I will explain more important things and then we will start the lesson. The earth rotates on its imaginary axis with the speed of 1670 per kilometer hour along the equator. It's going into the equator of this speed. Okay, the earth takes 24 hours. In the one day have a 24 hours. It's completed one rotation. This motion of the earth is called rotation. I was told about this rotation. I say again, listen carefully. The earth rotates on its imaginary axis with the speed of 1670 km per hour. एक घंटे में इतनी स्पीड है 1670 पर किलोमीटर. ओके, पर आवर. इक्वेटर, द अर्थ टेक्स 24 आवर्स. सेम 24 आवर्स में हर घंटे में 1670 किलोमीटर अर्थ इज रोटेटेड. ओके, completed one rotation. This motion of the earth is called rotation. Now revolution. What the means of the revolution? It's a definition of revolution. While moving on its axis, वो अपनी एक्सिस पे मूव हो रहा है, उसके अलावा. ओके, the earth also moving around the sun. It's a sun, he was also moving around of the sun. This motion is called revolution, moving around the sun. That is a easy language, moving around the sun. Underline of this, moving around the sun. The earth takes 365 days per year. 365 and 1/4. Okay. A completed one revolution around the sun. So this period is called a year, that is a revolution. I was told about 1/2. That's why in the 4 time 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, and the after 4 years the leap year came into February 30, 29 days. Okay. Okay, you can understood rotation and revolution. Now the third definition is about orbit. What the means of the orbit? The earth moves. Okay, earth moves on the fixed imaginary line path around the sun. It's a sun and this type of the line, imaginary line, it's called a orb. It's a round, it's called a path of orbit. Okay, orbit of the earth. I asking again, the earth moves on the fixed imaginary path around the sun. This path is called orbit of the earth. The orbit is not around. Okay, we are saying sun. Okay, earth is moving around on the sun. Okay, but this line is not looking like a round. This is like a oval type. Okay, beta. Orbit is not a round, but it's a elliptical or a oval. Okay, this is a type of the sun, and the earth is its type of the oval. It's a orbit. Okay. Due to this fact, the distance between the earth and the sun does not remain the same all through the year. I was told to you, whenever the sun is near, moon is near, earth is nearby the sun, that is the season of summer. Okay, beta? Summer. When it's a path from this type, whenever it's far the winter came. Then whenever it's nearby the year, this type of the revolutions are making, because when it was a nearby the sun, the summer will be happen, and when it's going into the far, the monsoon is there, and it's more than far that a winter will become. Okay, the earth is revolution. The earth is revolute, यानी सन के आजू बाजू में जब अर्थ मूव करता है ऐसे पे ऐसे, दैट इज गोइंग आउट 1780 पर किलोमीटर आवर्स. इट्स अ गोइंग ऑफ द दिस टाइप ऑफ द रोटेट ऑफ द सन. Okay, you can understood rotation and a revolution. Now, the earth revolves around the sun, keeping its axis title. Title means the type of the oval. Okay, it is the same direction. This result is longer and the shorter. So we can know that is a longer and the shorter. Here the sun is there and oval type of. Here is a day is longer and night is shorter. Here the night is longer and day is shorter because it's a far from the earth, because that is a title, means that is a oval type of the round, they revolute around the sun. This result is longer and shorter days also change the season, so the season will be a change. The sun ray fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer and into 21st June and the 22nd June 2nd December on the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, let us start the chapter. Have you noticed that the toys that you play with the search as a top and the discus rotate on their own axis? Whenever you are toys means your toys. This is a playing. Whenever you are playing, is a going into the one place. Okay. सिमिलर अवर अर्थ ऑल्सो रोटेटेड ऑन इट्स एक्सिस्ट, हमारा अर्थ भी सिमिलर उसी की तरह भौरा घुमाते हैं बच्चे, दैट इज द सेम टाइप ऑफ द रोटेट ऑफ द अर्थ। यू मस्ट हैव टू टेकन ऑफ द राइड ऑफ द फेरीज while in the fair. Okay, I show you this ferry, this type of the ferry you are sitting to the fair. Okay, while the seat road around there exists, they also revolved in the circular manners also. Okay, like other celestial bodies, the earth also move in the two ways, rotation and the revolution. The earth rotates on its axis and also revolved around the sun. It's what rotate on this axis also and is going on to the around the sun also. Okay, ऐसे भी घूमना है उसे और ऐसे भी घूमना है, that is a revolution, rotation and revolution, both of these. The moon and earth are constantly in motion. The same type of the moon also rotate on their place and the sun, earth also. This is a fair. Okay, now is the pillar of your school ground, that is your school ground pillar. Okay, that is a school ground pillar. Note down the detail of this. Whenever in the morning, whenever in the morning the pillar is there but shadow is coming. In the morning the shadow is coming here, and then 10 o'clock here, and then approximately 11:30 or whatever, and exists 12 o'clock, it's a common upper of the head. That whenever the time is less, the sunset timing also happen. So if that reflection came in the morning, its reflection same. Okay, and then the same reflection are coming in the same time. That means you have to see the birds reflections are, which type of the birds reflection are came. In the noon exactly a slightly shadow with them, and the morning the long shadow, evening also the long shadow in the morning and long shadow in the evening, and the noon is a slightly small shadow will be a come. Okay, here is table is given into the detail time, direction, length of the shadow. Arrive in the school. Whenever you are arrive in the school, that means you are coming in the morning 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 o'clock, 7:30 and something. Okay, that time direction. What the direction of the sun? It's a which side of the sun direction is the east side. Length of the shadow, that means a full. During short recess, approximately 10:30. Okay, direction of the sun also like onto the east side. During long recess, it's approximately 10:30 and 11 o'clock. Okay, that time the length of the shadow, and department for the school in a 1 o'clock, that means direction of the upper side on our head. Okay, okay, what does the rotation of the earth means? Here is asking what the means of the rotation. As the earth revolved on its imaginary axis is the speed of rotation at the any point along the equator is approximately 1670 per meter hour. Okay, the earth takes 24 hours to complete the rotation. One rotation it was completed to a 24 hours, means make a 1 day. Okay, why is the sun seen only during the day and moon at the night? It's a too much easy question. The part of the earth that face onto the sun experience day, and the opposite part experience night. Here is given a picture. Whenever the sun earth face front of the sun, it's a day, and the back side is the experience of night. So this answer, sun will be a during day and the moon day at the night. Okay, beta. How are the day and the night are causes? Because the earth is rotation of the sun. That's why the day and night are causes. You must probably have thrown about such a question. Okay, earth is a turtle, means it's not a type of the oval. Okay, the earth is a type of the oval, not is in the round. Okay, this type of activity I was given the experience in the 5th standard also to you. Okay, beta, take the globe and the torch. Take a one globe and the torch. If you have a no globe, you will be take the one ball also. Okay, and you given the torch light. Those part have a light, that means a type of the day, and the dark part of the, that means a night. Okay, this is a showing the day timing, this type. Okay, the sun rays are coming off this type, and the dark part is a night. So it's a experience if you are doing at the home. The understanding day and night happen, how the day and night are happen by the help of the torch. Okay, here is given the one table. If it is a daytime, if it is a daytime in India, write whether it would be a day or a night in the following countries given in the table. Okay, country Canada. If in the India, in the Asia have a day timing, in the Canada has a night. Why? Because they are back of 11 hours to us. Okay, that is a night. I am writing only n. Okay, now Mexico also a night, because they are far over to 11 hours to India. Okay, Brazil also situated night, because they also 11 or 12 approximately back of our country. Understood? Japan have a day. Why beta? Because it's situated in nearby the Asia. So our we have of the, they are earlier 5 hours, because they are into east side of the Asia. So they are 5 hours earlier than India. So that also in the day timing. Okay, Australia also in the day timing. They have a previous of the 6 hours to us. And Africa have a minus, there is a night, because they are far away from the 5 hours back of us. Things. How does the earth revolves around the sun? What is the constituents? Okay, the earth revolves around the sun in the elliptical orbits. Is causes season in a year. Okay, this is a causes seasons, means winter, summer and monsoon. Now revolution. Here is a given the full information about the revolution. Okay, revolution. The earth takes 365 days to the complete one revolution around the sun. This speed is called year. Whenever the earth is speedily going around the sun, that's called a revolution. Okay, its revolves around the sun at the speed of approximately 1780 per kilometer hours. The earth moves continuously on the fixed imaginary path called a orbit. This orbit of the earth is not around but elliptical, means a type of oval. This is the season. Why the distance between the earth and the season does not remaining the same throughout the year. Okay, I will show you again this type of the sun and this type of oval type. Here is given elliptical, it means a oval type. Okay, so whenever it's a near into the sun, that is a summer season, and when it is a going the far, that is a monsoon and a winter season. So this is the season by the distance between the earth and the sun does not remaining the same throughout the year. This is a important line, so you are mark on your textbook. The earth remove around the sun at the speed of approximately 1700 kilo per hours. That means it was around per hours, एक घंटे में 1780 किलोमीटर स्पीड से it was the around of the sun. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. Same time, whenever the moon is revolved around the sun and earth is revolved around the moon is revolved around the earth and the earth is revolved around the sun. The earth makes and the angle of the 23.50 degrees Celsius to its axis and the 66.50 degree to the orbit. The title of the earth on its axis causes the varying length of the day and the night, and also change in the season. Okay, here is given the activity equal day night. Fill the table in below with the help of the calendar. You have a calendar at the home showing the time of the sun and the sunset. When the sun rise and when the sunset, you want to write the mark. I will make the table and easy for you, so you will be a see 21st March. In this year, the 21st March, the sunrise 6:43. Okay, 6:43. The sunrise 6:43. Okay, and sunset timing 6:51 evening. Okay, 6:43 a.m. the sunrise and 6:51 p.m. the sun set. Hours approximately 11 hours and the 11 hours and approximately 6-7 minutes. Now 21st April, the sun rise of 6 hours and 40 minutes and set 7:30 p.m. And in the 21st May, the sun rise 5:56 a.m. and the set 7 hours 16 minutes in the evening. Okay. Now the 21st June, the sun rise 5:55, 5 hours 55 a.m. and set 7:28 in the evening. So 21st June, the 5:55 it's sunrise and 5:28 it's a set, and 21st July 6:05 the sun is rise and 7:26 it's a set. Okay. 21st August 6 and 18. It's not came, but you whenever the sun rise in the morning in the 6 hours 18 a.m. and the rise is 7 and 8. Okay. p.m. Now in September 6:28 the sun rises in the morning and set 6:38. So that's make the how many hours and how many minutes are difference in the every month. How can they are the different of the every month? Okay. Now it's a given the one picture equator day and night. So beta first of all I will given the one straight line to you. Okay. This type of the line are draw angle type of this come 9 north pole 90-degree north pole and 90-degree south pole. First of the upper side is the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, middle is the equator, Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Okay, this that means the upper part of this is a freeze zone. Here if the sun is given the slightly, so I will make the huge sun. So whenever it was the change, it's given the type of this shadow they given out. Okay, so wherever the middle side, that means the equator side, the sun rays is coming directly. So that parts of a hotness than the upper parts. Okay, beta. So this part is making a day and this part is making a night. Whenever it's a turn around, that part is coming back side. They have a night and they are the front of day. So this is a type of the revolution. Now the first part will be completed here. Next part I will upload in the next lecture. So be safe, stay at home, be healthy and enjoy your day.